Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today's you will be studying root words, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe it. Okay, so basically, what are root words? Have you seen the roots of the trees? Right? Suppose this is a tree. Okay, these are the roots, right? So basically, what these roots do, they are having various purposes, right? To just, these are the roots which go deep down in search of minerals, right? And water. Well, that's geography, right? So, but they just, what they do, the main thing is that in the case of, they help the plant to have a support, right? This is the base. Actually, what is this? This is the base, right? So this base helps the overall structure of the tree to have a particular, you know, type of what? A particular type of, it's straightened. It's like their health, and it bears leaves and fruits. Okay, so same ways root words are also there. Root words are, they are base words. Now basically base words are used as a prefix, as the suffix, or in the mid. Suffix comes at the last of the word, prefix comes in the beginning of the word, and mid, in the middle of the word. This is the word. Okay, so basically what are root words? Actually, root words, they help to make a particular word. Okay, they change the meaning of the word. Okay, for instance, there is a word comfort. So if this is comfort, it means like, yeah, it's, it's comfortable, you are able to sit there, it's relaxing. But if I'll add dis to this word, it's like discomfort. So what will happen? So you can see, like, it becomes something like as a discomfort thing, like a negative thing. It's not comfortable, right? So it adds to negative. Okay, so comfort is positive, but if it consists of this, then what happens? It becomes something negative, right? So we'll study what are root words. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so the basically my first word which I'm going to make you study will be by. Okay, by. By means to. So you very well know this word which is known as bicycle, right? Binary language. So you know this. By means to, right? Computer only understands two kinds of words, which are, two types of symbols or numbers, you can say, 0 and 1, which are only two. So that is why binary word. Bicycle, you know very well. I don't know if I can make the bicycle or not perfectly. But in the front there is one wheel, and at the back there's one wheel, right? And then there is a seat. Okay, so you can see it has two wheels, so that is why it is bicycle, right? I hope this is clear to you. So the next word will be co. Okay, so the next word is co. Co means with, coordinate, right? Coordinate, we say coordinate people. So it's like with everyone you have to you know, coordinate. And then you can have, cooperate, coexist, right? These are the words, like, you know very well, right? So co means with, together. You have to do it something like together, right? So the third word comes with this. This gradually means not, right? So the word will be dislike. I dislike eating a, this, a cuisine, or it's like, no, I don't want. It becomes a negative sentence. Like means to like something, like to, I like to eat ice creams. It's a positive sentence, right? But when it is like, no, I don't like it. So you can say these are my dislikings, or I dislike these kinds of stuff, right? And when you are comfortable, you say it's like it was full of comfort, right? And when it's not comfortable, then you say discomfort. Are you getting my point? Okay. So this is it. This is quite easy. Means not, right? So now comes the word in, right? In means also not. It's like incorrect. It's not correct. So it's incorrect, right? Negative word. Then it's like, you say inappropriate. It's not appropriate. It's not according to me. It's inappropriate, right? So basically you can see here, like, in is denoting no, not, right? So this is the root word, okay? So now comes the word miss. Miss means less, right? Or you can say miss means less, or when is it? Or you can say like wrong, something that is happening, wrongly, or you can say it's wrong. For example, you say mislead, right? It's misleading, I won't do this, okay? Or mistreat, you were not treated very nicely, you were treated badly, so it's like mistreat. Mismanagement, this word comes a lot in companies law, right? So I hope you are grasping each and every word which I am telling, right? So miss means wrong or less. Are you getting my point? Okay. So now comes my favorite word, actually, because I use it quite a lot. It's like preoccupied. I'm very preoccupied. So people are like, what? So this word is quite common. It comes in prefix, right? Pre means before, okay? So before means it comes already, it comes before, like pehle aata hai, right? So we use prefix. In prefix, you can see pre means it comes before these words, okay? And like you say preoccupied, this is my favorite word, preoccupied. I was already preoccupied in that work, so I was not able to do. This is my favorite word I use, okay? So or else, yeah, this one is quite common. You have the prepaid balance. Prepaid, you already pay for it, right? You pay for it. Then you have to give 50 rupees first, or whatever money, how much money they are saying. This is just a quote, okay? I have quoted it. So like 50 rupees, then only you will be able to talk. Prepaid, right? This word is quite common. And okay, prehistoric movement. You must have listened this a lot. Prehistoric, right? So yeah, you can see this pre word is very nice word. I love it. Okay. Now comes the word, we have done before. Now we will do something that is after, and that is, you know, that is re. Re means after. Okay. So basically, it's like use this word quite often. Revise. Okay. Or it's like reorder, do it again, right? Reordering. Or refill, you have to fill it again, right? Refill. So various words start with re. Whenever they start with re, it means you have to, it is like after a particular thing you have to do it again. Review, this is quite common in where? YouTube, right? Review, I have to give a review of this product. You will be again doing it, right? So it's like, yeah, I'm doing it again. I'm just, so I've got this new product. Okay, suppose this is a diamond you have got. Just excuse me for my drawing. And you will again tell how much weight is this, what is this, what is the price, etc., etc. Okay, so reword, it means after, right? Or again, you can say, right? So let's just erase it and then we will do the next word. So I hope you are understanding, right? Now comes the word. Okay, so the word is sub. Sub means under, right? This word is quite common for, your submarine, submerge, submarine, submerge. Okay, it got submerged in water. For instance, this is make water. So this is water, and you know that the submarines are under it. These are huge submarines with, a little part of it is like this. People are there under it, right? You must have seen the submarines a lot in the oceans, right? So sub means something that is completely inside the water body. You can see it's under it, right? Water is there, just a little bit is above, so just to check something, I guess. But sub means totally underwater, okay? So a submarine is something, which is underwater. So I hope you understand it nicely. So I drew it. Excuse me for my drawing skills, okay? So now this one word is quite easy. Try. Try always means 3. So the best example I can give you for that is triangle. So let's see what's triangle. Triangle is a shape, right? It's a shape. So you can see 1, 2 and 3, right? Or with the lines I can say 1, then 2, then 3. Guess which kind of triangle is this? Just tell me what kind of triangle I've drawn, okay? So triangle is there, and then you say tricolor. For our national flag of India, right? What's a national flag? It has got 3 colors, right? So which kind of colors it got? First saffron, then white, with the with the chakra in between, and then the green. So you basically know that, right? Okay, so three colors are there. That is why we say that our national flag is tricolored. Okay. Now comes the word UN. Okay. Whenever there's UN, there's like un. Okay. So it really means not. Okay. So you must have been knowing this word. Unlike, I don't like her pick. I unliked her pick. Right. So unnecessarily. Right. So basically, this is, unnecessary. Okay, don't do unnecessary wastage of money. Okay, now comes another word, uni. Uni means one, right? So it's like uniform. Okay, uniform means just one color. For instance, when you were in school, you had a uniform, right? It is of just one color. And then unicorn. It's a kind of a horse that just have one horn. So that is why it's known as unicorn. Please excuse my handwriting. I don't know why my this digital pad is not working properly. So yeah, you got to know about all these rude words today. So if you really liked my video, then do like, and then you can share to your friends, and of course you can subscribe. So yeah, if you subscribe, I will be motivated and I will be very elated and happy, you can say, actually. So thank you for watching the video, and just learn them. Okay, just revise them, learn them, and really help you a lot. These are very simple and very good root words. Okay, so thank you very much.